Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic: how to create light beam motion from windows in Photoshop. In this tutorial we will create light motion streaming through windows. Start with an indoor image with light sources. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select window areas. Fill selection with white and reduce opacity, and also apply motion blur at a radial angle. Now it looks like light beams entertaining the room. Add multiple layers with varied blur distance. Change blend modes to screen for glow effect. Adjust opacity for realism, and also add dust particles to make beam visible. Warm up the light tone using